Welcome everybody for this new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a drawing from an existing part in SOLIDWORKS. So we suppose that we already have our part created in 3D. I'm gonna go here in a new, make drawing from part. Click here. Of course, SOLIDWORKS gonna ask you to choose the sheet format according to the size of the paper you wanna print the drawing on. It has many sheet formats, standards, but of course you can save your own, and you can find them here in the list. Let's say we're gonna pick the standard sheet format. We click OK. So here, the sheet format. On the right we have the views, different views of our part. Let's begin by editing the sheet format. Right click, edit sheet format. Okay, all the lines coming blue. Of course you can delete, you select everything, you delete. Only I'm gonna keep the A4 here, which is the size of the drawing should be visible. Okay, and here I can recreate a sheet format using the tools, normal tools of the sketch. Of course I use a line, I join here and here. Of course the lines are thin, so I'm gonna need to make them thicker, like these. Of course I select them with Ctrl select, left click, and I go here in this little menu for lines properties. How to get this little menu here? We click on the blank space here, we select line format. See, line format. You can edit the thickness, the style, and also the color. Of course I'm gonna choose 0.5 thickness. For the color also I'm gonna choose blue. Sorry, color is here. Blue, like the other one. Okay. I'm gonna add 2 or 4 other lines to create the sheet format. See, should not take long. Here, of course you can use a square, no problem. And a little square here, and another little one here. Of course all these I'm gonna make them thicker. Line thickness 0.5 and color blue, so they appear the same color if you ever print it or something. Then I'm gonna add text. For example, the name of the part. You can only edit the name of the part on the drawing in the sheet format, not outside on the drawing. So you press here note, click in here and write, for example, part number 1. And the writing is small, so I can edit the here text editing, normal text editing feature. I'm gonna make it thicker. You can choose the style. Okay, so once I finish it, I click outside to write it, and there's another one that is floating here with the mouse pointer. So I just press escape on the keyboard. Of course I can return back to the text I've written and I can move it. I can even edit it. Double click and you can edit here everything, even the color. So I write, for example, another text for material. I don't know, steel or iron, I don't know. And of course you can add a small picture here, for example, to show the company icon or something else. You go here, tools, sketch tools, normal sketch tools, and here you go to sketch picture. Right, you go here to the folder where you have your picture, for example, and you put it here. You can adjust, you can click and hold to adjust it. I don't know, I put it everywhere you want. Okay, you click here, OK. Here we have finished editing. You can add many lines as you want. And to go out of the sheet format editing, you just right click on the blank space and you put edit sheet. Now, not sheet format, but the sheet itself, which is containing the drawing. But before I forget, you can here save this sheet format. You go here, file, save sheet format here, and you can save it on the list where you have your already other sheet formats. Okay, and then you right click and put edit sheet. Okay, now the lines are still blue because I've chosen a blue color. Normally it should be gray like this one, so I come back to edit sheet format and I select and change the color as I want. I can make them all black, no problem.